Hey, what's up fam, welcome to the channel. And to today's video, today I'm essentially going to be sharing with you how I made my DIY rinse out conditioner. This is a creamy, thick and moisturizing conditioner that you would want to try on your hair. If this is something you're interested in, do stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So starting off with the water phase, I go ahead to pour about 330 ml of water, which is purified water, and this I'm trying to make a rinse out conditioner of about 500 ml, so I'm making quite a lot to last me for a while. And the next thing I add is about 15 ml of my turmeric extract. This is a mixture of glycerin and turmeric extract, and this is for moisture and added color. Yeah, so after I have added this, I go ahead to mix it up, and these are the only ingredients I'm using for the water phase. Now for the oil phase, I'm going to be adding my oils and emulsifiers, and the first thing I'm adding is my BTMS, and I'm adding about 35 ml, 65 grams, sorry. And then my emulsifying wax, I'm adding 15 gram of the wax. I'm also adding cetyl alcohol. These are all emulsifying waxes, and I'm adding 10 grams of the cetyl alcohol. Then my stearic acid, I'm adding 5 grams of the stearic acid. And the next thing I'm adding is my penetrating oil mix. 15 ml of this amazing oil. Is a mixture of great oils, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and a whole lot. And then I go ahead with my shea butter. I'm also adding about 15 grams of the shea butter. All these are for moisturizing benefits. Yeah, so after I have my ingredients for the water for the oil phase and the water phase, I go ahead to put it in a water bath, and then I will be back. Now if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button now. Thanks so much. Now after putting the two phases in a water bath for some time, I have my oil phase and my water phase, and mind you, they are all of the same temperature. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to pour my water phase into the oil phase, and then use my hand mixer to mix everything together. Now you can mix it until it gets thicker, and that is what I am doing. Now the ingredients that I use are very moisturizing, and so leaving this for some time, it will get thicker, and then you can add your other ingredients in the cool down phase. Now after leaving the mixture for some time, now this is how thick it is. And usually for mine rinse out conditioners, I like it to be less thicker, because I want it to be able to glide through my hair and help me detangle as well. So what I'm going to be doing is to add my palm kernel oil. Now palm kernel oil is great because of its penetrating properties, which is why I'm using palm kernel oil. And the next thing I add after my palm kernel oil is my active ingredient, and this is almond milk. Now almond milk is very great for hair. It contains monosaturated fatty acids that is able to penetrate, and also vitamins that helps strengthen the hair. This nutrient usually penetrates the hair strands, making them stronger and healthier. One of the best things you can add to your rinse out conditioners or deep conditioners is almond milk. So this is why I'm using almond milk, and I'm adding just some amount of it to the rinse out conditioner. Now the next thing I do is to also add a little bit of water to the final mixture. This is to make it a bit to make it less thicker, so that I can get the consistency that I want. So after whisking it for some time, this is what I have, guys. This is very moisturizing, and it feels very great on natural hair after you shampoo, trust me. So the next thing that I'm going to be adding is my preservative, and this is my liquid Germal Plus. I'm adding just about 1% of the Germal Plus to my rinse out conditioner, and then I go ahead to also add my fragrance, which is a peach scented fragrance oil. So after this, I just mix everything up, and then my final rinse out conditioner is ready. Trust me, guys, I use this on my hair, and I am definitely going to be sticking to this recipe for some time. So do try this out at home if you have the ingredients available, and let me know what you think. If this video was helpful, also let me know. Thanks so much again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.